Hello, today we will guide you through how to send SMS automations in Funnelish. To begin, open Funnelish and go to the Get Started page. Once you're in the platform, look at the top navigation bar and click on Funnels. This will take you to the area where your funnels are listed and managed. From there, select the sample funnel. Opening the funnel first is important because automations are created inside a specific funnel, so this makes sure the SMS workflow is connected to the right customer journey. After the funnel loads, click on Automations. This section is where you can build actions that happen automatically based on customer behavior, such as purchases, signups, or other events inside your funnel. In the top right corner, click Create a new automation. When the setup options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank automation so you can build exactly what you need without using a pre-made template. Then click Create to open the automation builder. Now you're ready to define what starts the automation. Click New Trigger. From the available trigger options, select On Purchase. This means the automation will run whenever a customer completes a purchase in that funnel. Once that option is selected, click Create to confirm the trigger. With the trigger in place, the next step is to add the action that should happen after the purchase. Click the plus sign in the automation flow to add a new step. From the list of available actions, choose Send an SMS. This tells Funnelish that the next part of the automation will be a text message sent to the customer. You'll now see a field where you can enter your message. Type the SMS content you want customers to receive after they purchase. Keep your message clear, concise, and useful, since SMS works best when it gets straight to the point. For example, you may want to include a thank you message, a quick update, or a next step related to their order, as long as it fits your business and stays within your messaging guidelines. Once your message is entered, click Add. This saves the SMS action into your automation flow. At this point, your SMS automation is set up. The trigger is a purchase, and the action is sending a text message. Before using it in a live environment, it's a good idea to review the message carefully for tone, accuracy, and timing, so customers receive the right communication at the right moment. That's it. You've successfully created an SMS automation in Funnelish.